Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of microbiology, exploring the tiny but mighty organisms that have a massive impact on our lives, bacteria and viruses. Hi everyone, I'm your name, and in this video, we'll uncover the secrets of bacteria and viruses, their differences, how they affect us, and why they are so important in science and medicine. Let's get started. First, let's talk about bacteria. These single-celled microorganisms are found almost everywhere on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and even inside our bodies. There are more bacterial cells in our body than human cells. Bacteria come in various shapes: spherical, Kochi, rod-shaped, bacilli, and spiral, spirilla. They reproduce quickly through a process called binary fission, where one cell divides into two identical cells. Not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, many are essential for our survival. They decompose organic matter, fix nitrogen in the soil, and even help us digest food. However, some bacteria can cause diseases like tuberculosis, strep throat, and urinary tract infections. Now let's move on to viruses. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not considered living organisms because they cannot reproduce on their own. They need a host cell to replicate. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria and come in various shapes, such as helical, icosahedral, and complex. A virus typically consists of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, encased in a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an outer lipid envelope. When a virus infects a host cell, it hijacks the cell's machinery to produce more virus particles, often destroying the cell in the process. Viruses are responsible for many diseases, ranging from the common cold and influenza to more serious illnesses like HIV/AIDS, Ebola, and COVID-19. Despite their potential for harm, viruses also play a crucial role in genetic research and biotechnology. Microbiologists study bacteria and viruses to understand their behavior, how they cause disease, and how we can fight them. This research has led to the development of antibiotics for bacterial infections and vaccines to prevent viral diseases. Antibiotics are substances that kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. They work in various ways, such as disrupting the bacterial cell wall, interfering with protein synthesis, or blocking DNA replication. However, antibiotics are ineffective against viruses. Vaccines, on the other hand, are designed to prevent viral infections. They stimulate the immune system to recognize and fight specific viruses, providing immunity without causing the disease. Vaccines have been instrumental in controlling and even eradicating deadly viral diseases like smallpox and polio. So why should we care about bacteria and viruses? Understanding these microorganisms is crucial for public health, medical advancements, and even environmental sustainability. They are tiny, but their impact is enormous. To sum up, bacteria and viruses are fundamental components of the microbial world. Bacteria can be both beneficial and harmful, while viruses need a host to reproduce and can cause serious diseases. Through antibiotics and vaccines, we've made great strides in combating these microorganisms. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of microbiology. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Stay safe and see you in the next video.